Good evening, and I warmly welcome you to Vayalil Capital, the financial superstore. Market updates. Market close. Benchmark indices shed more than 1% on October 28 on the back of selling seen in across the sectors. At close, Sensex was down 599 points or 1.48% at 39,922, and Nifty was down 159 points or 1.34% at 11,729. About 979 shares have advanced, 1,606 shares declined, and 153 shares are unchanged. IndusInd Bank, HDFC, ICICI Bank, Mahindra and Adani Ports were among the major losers on Nifty, while the gainers were Bharti Airtel, UBL, M&M, Eicher Motors and MotoCorp. All the sectoral indices ended in red. BSE Midcap and Smallcap indices shared 0.7 to 0.9%. Now, let's move on to performance of Indian indices today. Sensex went down by 599 points to close at 39,922. Nifty 50 went down by 159 points to close at 11,729. Bank Nifty went down by 537 points to close at 24,232. Nifty Midcap 100 went down by 169 points to close at 17,047. Nifty Small Cap 100 went down by 58 points to close at 5,893. Let's have a look into commodities and currencies. British pound trading at rupees 95.82, US dollar trading at rupees 73.70, Brent crude trading at $39.92, gold MCX trading at rupees 50,825, silver 1 lot trading at rupees 61,881. Shares around the world tumbled on Wednesday as coronavirus infections grew rapidly in Europe and United States, igniting fears of possible strict lockdown measures that could damage already fragile economic recoveries. European shares fell on the reports of potential lockdown in Germany and France, losing 2.5% to hit 5 months loss, rattled by a media report that France might bring in a national lockdown from midnight on Thursday. Coming back to our markets, Nifty broke the level of 11,700 and briefly visited 11,684, which is around the lower end of the range, but we bounced back to close above 11,700. These are the crucial time for trading, as a break of 11,650 could trigger a fresh wave of shorts, which could take the markets down to 11,400 to 11,450. Rupee entered lower on broad sell-off in capital markets globally, giving some strength to US dollar index, with stocks strong dollar along with month-end oil importers demand supported USD INR. 74.20 to 74.40 can be on cards in coming session. The toxic brew of no US fiscal stimulus and rapidly rising coronavirus cases are dwindling the market sentiments, especially ahead of US election event risk. The spot is not breaking the psychological level 74. The odds of spot going beyond 74 remains high as market volatility has started to rise. The looming uncertainty over the US presidential outcome will keep USD INR afloat, but until it is below 74 mark, we can expect it to trade between 73.40 to 74. Only a consistent trading above 74 will push the price towards 74.20 zone. Our markets traded under pressure and lost over 1% after the flat start. The benchmark gradually inched lower amid muted global sentiments due to rising cases in US and Europe. Consequently, it ended 1.3% lower at 11,730 levels. The broader markets ended off a feeble note in range of 0.8 to 0.9%. Bearing telecom and capital goods, all the sectoral indices ended in red, wherein banks, metal and realty were the top losers. Rising COVID-19 cases globally, especially in US and Europe, are worrying investors as strict lockdown could be imposed and economic recovery, which is still at nascent stage, could once again get hit. Further, no stimulus announcement as well as election in US are two keeping investors on edge. The scheduled derivative expiry of October month contracts will further add to volatility. We reiterate our cautious view on markets and suggest continuing with stock-specific trading approach. Weakness in the US stock futures dragged the Nifty 50 index below the crucial support level of 11,700. Although Nifty 50 index closed above the level of 11,700. During the day, it went below the same. Nifty has overruled the possibility of triangle consolidation by breaking the low of 11,700. It could not follow the zigzag corrective plan in which it could hit the level of 11,600 or 11,550 level. On the daily basis, Nifty also closed between the support of 20 days SMA, which is an indication of further weakness. The 50 days SMA is also placed at 11,540 level, which on the upside 11,800 and 11,830 would act as a major hurdle for the market. The best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. That's all for today. Thank you and have a great day. This is me Tirtha signing off. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.